Come test drive the 2016 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear window wiper, inside you'll find security system, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power passenger seat, tilt steering wheel, compass, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.